Hey, it's Greg here with MaritimeGardening.com. It's early March and it's still very wintry outside. And as you can see, the garden is covered in snow and ice and the ground is still frozen. As my teenage daughter would say, the garden is not gardening. I can't get the door open. We got about a foot of snow down here. That's compacted snow. It's been raining on and stuff. So it's not gardening season yet, but I've just gotten my pack of seeds and stuff from Veseys Seeds, and I have a new thing that I want to try this year. And I thought I'd show you and just give you my thoughts about this product. Okay, so let's go have a look. So what I got here is something called Mulch. Okay, it's about 110 bucks for 48 feet wide by 200 feet long. So that's a lot of material. It's a mulch that you can use. It'll cover about, if you think of a 4x8 bed, 4 feet by 8 feet, it'll cover about 25 beds. It's a corn starch based product called Matter by, M-A-T-E-R-B-I. You can Google that and look it up. The gist of it is that it's a non-GMO corn starch and veg oil sort of product. It's like a plastic, okay? But it's supposed to break down. This is non-permeable as far as I understand it, but you can very easily make it permeable by poking holes in it. So the general idea is that you lay this down over the bed, and I mean, if you're putting transplants, it's sort of ideal. You lay this down over the bed, you find some rocks and sticks like that to hold it all down. You poke some holes here and there just to let rain and stuff through, and then you cut a little X with a knife and put your transplant in the hole, and just space everything out the way you want. And the idea is that this will prevent weeds from growing and all that sort of stuff. It'll warm up the surface of the soil a little bit because it's black, I guess. But mainly this is a weed barrier. And it's supposed to break down over the course of the gardening season. Apparently by some point in September or late August, early September, something like that, it's supposed to start coming apart and that sort of stuff. But it'll all just break down into like water and carbon dioxide or whatever, right? So it looks like plastic. It is a plastic, but it's a plastic made from cornstarch and vegetable oil, and I assume other things. But it's supposed to be organic and fine if you're running an organic operation. So I thought I'd order some and give it a try this year. Yeah, it's 110 bucks, but that's a lot of material. So in my gardens I've used leaves and hay and all kinds of different things, and seaweed, right? And I got all kinds of stuff like that, but I never have enough mulch, ever. So I thought I'd get some of this. I mean, you always use cardboard, which I use a lot of. I know some of you are concerned about what's in the cardboard, that sort of thing, and maybe you'll be concerned about what's in this, but it's supposed to be fine, so I'm going to try it. I just thought I'd give it a try just to see how well it works, because I never have enough mulch no matter what I do. And this is like a good thing to have just in case I run out. And in some cases, I think it might be kind of an ideal material. Now, if you're worried about the soil not getting enough nutrients, you cover your soil with leaves or hay, that's all breaking down and feeding the soil organisms. One thing you can do is just throw a bunch of stuff on top of the soil before you put this down. Right? So put some grass clippings down. Get your compost and just sort of spread it out, work it into the soil a little bit before you plant. Right? Put a little bit of manure down. This is perfect for putting manure down because the manure is not going to go to seed because you've got it covered with this plastic. So, lots of different applications, lots of different ideas. I've never tried this before, but I'm going to use it the same way I've been using cardboard and different kinds of, paper. There's various paper products I've used over the years. I'm going to use it the same way. I'm hoping it holds up better and lasts longer. A good portion of my garden is going to be covered in this year, so you can see how it works. So if you're reluctant, don't buy it this year. See how it works for me. Maybe you buy it next year. Of course, if you're like me and you're impulsive and just want to try things and see what happens, there's lots of time left. Maybe order it up. Use my coupon code GAVS26 and give it a try this season and let me know how it works for you. But otherwise, you can watch my videos and see how it works this year. And I just thought I wanted to share that with you. I'm so excited to get all my stuff from Veseys. I'm not doing anything yet. I'm not even starting my transplants yet. I usually don't do that until pretty much the end of March. That's my system anyway. So more on that soon, but hope you found this interesting. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and until next time, Get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden. Thanks for watching.